Collect with me the wild asparagus. Wild asparagus is asparagus that grows on its own in the wild. It grows during springtime and tends to grow in rural areas where there is water. Wild asparagus is nutrient-dense, rich in potassium, calcium, fiber, and vitamin C. It is a good source of magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and B-complex vitamins. It also contains sulfuric compound called asparagine, which provides diuretic properties. Stay tuned for part 2 if you want to see the best way to cook wild asparagus.